Hi friends, this video shows how to record 4K video using this Canon EOS R50 camera. First, we have to select movie recording option using this mode dial. Just rotate this mode dial and select this movie recording option. Then we can choose mode if you want. Press this OK button on the camera. Here we can see the options: movie auto exposure, manual exposure. There are many options, so let me select auto. Okay, then in camera, press this menu button. Then under this first tab, we have to select movie REC size. Select it. Here we can see 6 options. So we have to select 4K here. We can see 4K light IPB and 4K standard IPB. Let me select light IPB. File size will be less. It will do the 4K video recording in lower bitrate. Let me select 4K light IPB. Okay, done. Then press this button. Press that button again. Next I am going to record one video in 4K. Here we can see one button on top of this camera, that is the button for video recording. Let me press that button. We can see recording has been started. Here we can see REC label in red color and this red frame. That means recording is going on. If you want to stop the recording, we can again press this button. Okay, recording has been stopped. Let me play that recorded video. Press this play button on the camera. Now we can see the last recorded video. Then press this OK button. Again press that button. So now I am playing that recorded 4K video. So this way we can record 4K video in this Canon EOS R50 camera. Okay, so if you want to stop this play, we can again press this OK button and pause the play. So let me go back. So if you want to delete this video, we can press this delete button, then select erase, then press OK button. Done. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.